In 1994, a woman registered me with the Child Support Agency for two daughters. Then she wanted to wreck my life. In 1996, she no longer wanted me to see the girls and caused all kinds of hell, and was the start of her campaign to cover up her sins. In 2000, I had to have a restraining order against her and to stop her preventing me seeing two daughters and to stop her causing problems. From 1996 to 2003, for 7 years, the girl's mother deliberately created and caused problems, repeatedly refused contact with two daughters, and refused to participate in any joint mediation at the courthouse, until the family court took a stand and ordered it to take place. And it was where their mother's sins was uncovered. In 2003, trial for custody had to be abandoned, and over what was uncovered. The mother's lawyer had also previously threatened to sue me for costs if I took matters to trial, then sued me for costs for not going to trial. The mother had an agenda from 1995 to financially destroy me by whatever means and to cover up her sins. In 2004, I took a hit for the cause, but these matters, unknowingly at the time, would also help me and save me from being done over further. Their mother wanted to continue to hurt me further, and for as long as she could, and froze assets by caveat for 8 years. In 2007, the girl's mother still refused to resolve any matters, and was profiting from the situation, and I took another hit for the cause. And matters were pushed to the Supreme Court, and the lawyer for the girl's mother initially took matters to the Supreme Court without me knowing, and was only given 1 week's notice to appear. I held on for 2 appearances, and fortunately for me, I was able to get a barrister in from Victoria on the 3rd appearance and helped me out with the situation I was in. Then 2 solicitors left the legal firm that represented the girl's mother. Since 1996, the girl's mother has had 4 solicitors in all over the years. 3 regarding custody and court and child support matters, and the other dealt with property transfers and conveyancing. In 2008, I took another much bigger hit for the cause, but it stopped the accruing interest and saved losing my property, which was their intention to take at the family court, at the Supreme Court, and at the Federal Magistrates Court. But I held on. In 2010, the Child Support Agency, after investigation, again stopped their mother from profiting from circumstances, and much thanks to the daughter herself. But as briefly as she returned, she left again, and unknown to why. But hope the best for her wherever she is, and for her sisters as well. After a car accident resulting in a son having 337 tonic-clonic seizures which deteriorated him to the point he didn't want to live anymore, and he just wanted to see his once sisters one more time. Sadly, it wasn't to be. Fortunately, the seizures were eventually stopped. If they weren't, he'd be dead now. As simple as that. In 2021, after finishing 4 years of tribunal matters, or administrative appeals tribunal matters, to where Van Diemen's Land did everything to hurt me again, it was uncovered much, much further of what the daughter's mother did and done to hurt me over matters. And for over 25 years, she has got away with everything she has done. I was recently asked to comment and take a survey in regards to my 4 years at the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. Well, it was 25 years of court and tribunal evidence that kept me alive when Van Diemen's Land wanted to hurt me again. And I thank all the women involved in matters and appreciate the tribunal for being independent. And the very valuable court evidence from the old days that had come back to greatly help me, and came to appreciate the court evidence I had. With the court's help, I saw the girls that one time for Christmas, once in 25 years, since 1994. I had 7 years of contact that would have never taken place. The daughter's mother's sins, lies, deceits would have never have been uncovered regarding child support. The courts kept me alive and secured the evidence, and without the courts being there to assist if need be, assets would have not have been unfrozen after 8 years in 2012. To all fathers involved in custody and contact and child support matters, you have to be prepared. The statistics and suicide rates speak for themselves. Many women are very well prepared and have situations well set up, and prior to any separation or during a custody matter or regarding child support issues or deterring and preventing contact. And you need to take care.